Hey fans, it's Lucy, your social media sideline reporter. I'm here inside the U.S. Airways Center with reaction about the huge play that happened a moment ago downstairs. Our Twitter followers are buzzing about a quick sneak pass from guard Steve Nash to big man Marcin Gortat, who hammered down a two-handed dunk into the basket. The fans are on their feet and the Purple Palace is rocking. At Phoenix Fan 1 says, "Damn, did Gortat take lessons from Lou Gorilla during pregame? That boy can jump." Well, either that or Gortat has been following Nash's superfood and complex carb diet, which is posted all over the media. One thing's for sure, the Suns are on their way to victory with total support from the Valley. Back to you, Cedric. How was that for an audition? I'm driven, I'm quick thinking, and I'm a passionate NBA fan. I'm so comfortable on camera, and my free time is devoted to social media. I've always admired the Suns' talent and their fast-paced game. 2012 national champs? I'm thinking yes. Growing up, I was a huge fan of Charles Barkley and his fearless attitude and on-court athletic domination. Choose me, Lucy Motts. Make my dream a reality and put me on the sideline.